Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome to one more topic in your FeCivil review series. Now we are going to solve another derivatives problem for your FE examination. Okay, let me do one more time. Hello, everyone. Welcome to your favorite FeCivil exam review. And today we are going to solve one of the most important topics, the derivatives. It is the most important because it is the most easiest for you to score. All you have to make sure is don't get ahead of yourself and mess it up. How can that happen? Yes, it can happen. For example, they are asking you the derivative of this equation y, like double derivation, double differentiation, d square y by dx square is what they are asking. But what you might end up doing is you might end up solving dy by dx, and you might actually think that, oh, I've already solved this problem. And you might come to the choices, and one of the choices might actually be for dy by dx and not dx square y by dx square. And then what will happen? You lost your problem. One of the most simplest way to score in FE examination is simply by focusing on what is required, like d square y by dx square, and not mess it up by exiting from your problem too early. So without no further ado, let's get down to solving this problem. It can be solved in two ways. It can be solved through your calculator or by manual method. I personally don't prefer calculator because your calculator can go bananas in the examination, and then you'll be left with solving it manually. So understand the concept. Then if you want to still solve it with your calculator, feel free to go and solve it with the calculator. But first, let's understand the manual method. Let's get down to it, guys. So first step of solving any problem anywhere is see what is given. Here, what is given is the equation y is equal to 4x cube plus 5xz square plus 9z cube plus 100. Write down the given, guys. Given equation, write it down because you don't want to mess up any of these terms, any of these constants or any of these variables. So write your equation down, okay? And then look at what is required. See, write down what is required. Required is equal to d square y by dx square, okay? Very, very clear. You don't want dy by dx, you want d square y by dx square. So even if you find dy by dx in the process, differentiate it one more time, or only then go to your options, okay? And the formula to solve a problem like this. So your derivatives are basically in the mathematics derivatives section. Just go to your search, click derivatives, and that will take you to the page 35 with all the derivatives formulas written on the left hand side. So this is the formula you are looking for. D by dx of u power n is equal to n into u power n minus 1. Okay. Now this is only a single derivative. You have to differentiate it twice to get the answer that you are seeking, which this formula won't be listed in your reference manual. So you have to understand the concept. The concept is you do double differentiation. D by dx of u power n, that is only single differentiation. So d by dx of u power n is what you're trying to find. Okay, makes sense? If it doesn't make sense, just go back a little bit and just take your time, understand this concept. But anyways, even if you don't understand, just stick with me. I will walk you through and you will understand very, very soon. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the problem. Okay. For your sake, I'm erasing all the stuff that is here and I will solve this problem with you. So this problem is completely internalized. Okay. The equation y is equal to 4x cube plus 5xz square plus 9z cube is already given over here. Now I'm going to write d square y by dx square. So this is what we need to solve. This can be simply rewritten as d by dx of dy by dx. Okay, guys. And so here what we don't know is this. This is what we don't know. If you find this one, then you can go ahead with this step. Okay. So in order to find dy by dx, let's write down dy by dx is equal to, so basically you are applying the d by dx on both the sides of this equation. That is how you will be finding the dy by dx. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this equation 4x cube plus 5xz square plus 9z cube. Our ultimate goal is to find d square y by dx square. And if you notice, this d square y by dx square has a variables y and x. For this reason, the variable z will be treated as a constant. Okay, that is the thing with differentiation. If they ask you d square z by dx square, then y will become a constant. So understand that, guys. So since here z is a constant, let's treat it as a constant. Let's solve this equation here. dy by dx is equal to, d by dx of a plus b will become d by dx of a plus d by dx of b, which means this equation can be further broken down to d by dx of 4x cube plus d by dx of 5x z square plus d by dx of 9z cube. Okay, guys. Now let's solve each of these terms individually. So this will become dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 4x cube. 4 is a constant. When a constant is in multiplication, it is not impacted by derivatives at all. So 4 will come outside. Okay. So it comes to the left. 4 into d by dx of x cube plus 5 and z square are constant. So that comes outside. So 5z square into d by dx of x plus here 9z cube is a constant, guys. Derivation of a constant is 0. So this will be simply 0. Okay. Pay attention. Now dy by dx is equal to 4 into, when you differentiate d by dx of x cube, guys, the 3 simply comes out. Okay, d by dx of x cube will become 3x square. If the same thing is for d by dx of x power 9, it will become 9x square. D by dx of x power m will become m into x power m minus 1. Okay, that is the concept logic we're applying. This is the same equation that we wrote over here. It's not different. I'm just talking in more simple terms. So this will become, so 3 will come outside. X will lose its 3 in d by dx of x. So since x already lost its 3, this numerator exponent, the power will become 3 minus 1 because it's lost its 3, right? And then 5z square will remain unchanged. D by dx of x is d by dx of x to the power 1. That is simply 1, okay, by applying the same concept. So now you can just use your calculator, and then this will become like 12 into x square plus 5z square. And mark my word, once you come to this step, guys, this is equation 1. This is not what is required. What we require is d square y by dx square. Some of you will be so enthusiastic and at this point go and put in this answer, and one of the choices might be this one because they will try to trick you in the examination and you can lose a very easy problem. Don't do it. Always go check at this point one more time to what is required. Required is d square y by dx square, and check what you have got. You got dy by dx. So you have to differentiate this one more time. Okay. So for this to stick with you, I am writing one more time, like check required d square. So make sure you do this in the exam as well. Always check your d square y by dx square is equal to question mark. So this is what is required. Okay. Now I'm going to do differentiation on both the sides for equation 1. Okay. So it's going to become d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 12x square plus 5z square. I applied derivative on both the sides. Okay. And now this will become d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of a plus b is d by dx of a plus d by dx of b. Now that is the concept I'm applying here. D by dx of 12x square plus d by dx of 5z square. Okay. Now next step, d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of 12x square, guys. In this 12 is a constant, so multiplication doesn't impact constants. So 12 can be written outside. 12 into d by dx of x square plus here 5z square is a constant as a whole. As I was telling you, z is treated as a constant because the variables are x and y. Z is not a variable. So d by dx of a constant is 0, guys. So that's why this will become 0. Now d square y by dx square is equal to 12 into, here x power is 2. When d by dx of x square happens, 2 comes outside to the left. So 12 into 2 into, since x lost its 2, its power now will become x power 2 minus 1. So d square y by dx square will become 24 times x. That is your answer. Now again go and check what is required. Required is d square y by dx square. What you got is d square y by dx square. Very cool. Now you can go check the choices. 24x. Option C is the right answer. There you go, guys. And that's how you solve a derivatives problem. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to comment down and I will get back to you as early as possible. I'm always there to help you out. So without no further ado, I will take you to the next problem. Make sure you subscribe and let me know anything that you want to discuss further. And I can't wait to walk you through more real life FE exam problems. You want to solve more FE like problems. That is the only way you will be able to be battle ready for that FE examination and score all these easy problems without doing no mistake. So subscribe, and I will get you trained and battle ready for your FE examination. Let's get the championship. Let's go. Okay guys, see you in the next one.